This rabbit is suffering with fever, cold and cough. The ears are excessively warm and there is a liquid oozing from its nose. Cough is also common. For the treatment, use Enrocin type antibiotic oral drops for 3 to 4 days. If the problem is severe, inject gentamicin to the thigh once in a day for 3 days. Another major problem is diarrhea. This starts with intake of polluted water and food. The causal organism is a protozoan called Coccidium. Infected rabbits show debility or strengthlessness. Semi-liquid fecal matter is seen pasted below the tail and on the floor. This is a sensitive problem, and the rabbit may die if neglected and not treated in time. Reduce the drinking water for these rabbits. Inject sulfur medicines to the thigh once in a day for 3 to 4 days. If the problem is seen in many rabbits, put sulfadimidine and furazolidone tablets in the feed for 3 to 4 days for all rabbits.